Hi, Katarina here with Beauty Junkies. Today I'm going to share with you how to use the mini flat top Kabuki brush with creamy concealer to conceal any dark spots, sunspots, or blemishes. So let's get started. Taking your mini flat brush and any creamy concealer, go ahead and get some product on there, and just using stippling motions, softly bounce right over any blemishes, dark spots, or healing acne that you may have. This brush is basically a smaller version of any stippling foundation brush, so it's perfect for getting those precise areas and just spot concealing any areas on your face. The flat edge makes it very easy to just lightly bounce over any blemishes that you may have to create a flawless coverage. You just need to use a very light hand and just go right around any blemish that you have, and it'll instantly make everything disappear. This brush is really great for concealing any blemishes because it is dense, but it's not too dense, so it just has the right amount of bounce just to go right over without moving any of your foundation or moving any of the concealer. And there you have it. That is a very easy way to conceal any dark spots, sunspots, blemishes that you may have using the Beauty Junkies mini flat brush.